Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. We have with us here Miss,
My name is Rinku.
the author of Discover Your Mojo.
Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, so first of all, how is experiencing the world's largest book fair?
Oh, it's absolutely amazing. I've never ever seen, so many book-stalls and so many books all around me. So
Right.
being a book lover, this is like a dream come true.
So about your book, what is one thing you think is like unique about your book in its genre or theme?
So I think I believe that it's important to discover who you are,
Right.
because who you are determines what you achieve in life.
Right.
So if you don't know who you are as a person, and I say your strengths, your weaknesses, what you're good at, what you're bad at, what works for you, what doesn't, what excites you, what triggers you. So I
Right.
think you need to know all of it.
So we have a huge community of writers. What is one piece of advice you would give to our community of budding writers?
Please write and do get it published. Come to Notion Press; they make your life easier.
Wow.
Okay,
Amazing.
so absolutely,
Man's
because
doing my job for me.
no,
That's-
I really
love
mean
that.
this, because I
Yeah,
write
yeah.
from childhood, and I've been trying to figure out for years
Right.
on how to get this published, and I think getting it published the traditional way is a long time. So please come to Notion Press, because they made my dreams come true.
Anyways, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Have a wonderful book fair experience.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and
Thank
keep
you.
doing the great job that you do. So
Oh, thank you. For sure. Man.
thank you. Thank you.